It's still early out. Just woke up, put on my workout on my computer. Gotta turn on the tree though. Gotta turn on the tree. That's Megan. See why I love her? She's amazing. If you haven't checked her out, check her out on Instagram. Bought it by Trainer. I also stretch after every workout, and look who joins me. Look who joins me. Little baby girl. So this is what I've been using for my concealer lately. I got it randomly at Target, I think, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna give it a try. And I'm actually really liking it. I just kind of put it on and blend it in. I'm still using the Maybelline Tinted Moisturizer, the BB cream. I really like that. Actually, I'll show you. I'm using this one in 2 different shades, and I just kind of blend them together. But it's a lot lighter than wearing a foundation for your like everyday makeup. What's going on here? Who's making all this noise? Who's making all this noise? Huh? Oh, it's definitely Sadie Baby. We just did Sadie Baby's little advent calendar. Day number 2. Oh my gosh, isn't it so cute? I got it at Costco. And yesterday's first treat was that one right there. Chicken jerky. And this one tonight was the duck jerky. Okay, so I started back to work a couple weeks ago, which is really exciting. Home now, and tonight I'm going to see my friends and we're going to watch The Bachelorette. We're behind in episodes, so we have 2 episodes to watch tonight. So I'm so excited to catch up, and I'm gonna touch up my makeup, and I just thought I'd show you. Got my little helper like always. I have the concealer I showed you earlier today. I'm just going to kind of brighten it up under the eyes and anywhere else I need a little touching up. So I'm just kind of dabbing and blending it in, adding a little brightness. Then I'm just taking my favorite Physicians formula and I'm just going to do a little translucent powder. This really helps like any oiliness you have going on, and it just kind of just like blends your face back together again. See? Then I take my blush brush that has the residual blush on it from earlier and I kind of rosy the cheeks back up. This is the darker color that I used earlier today. I'm just going to kind of go in and, you know, give it that little bit of intensity. Just a little bit. Bring it back to life. When you put that translucent powder on, it kind of dulls things, so I just want to brighten it back up. And this is the lighter color, the more orangey color that I was using. I'll just kind of dust that on, a little bit under the eye. And then also, because of the translucent powder, you want to do a little bit more mascara because it kind of dulls out the mascara. So I'm using my Voluminous, my go-to, my favorite. So you can totally tell the difference. Now let me show you what I've been doing with my lips that I've kind of been liking a lot. I'm just taking the soft lips, like any kind of chapstick I think would work, and just kind of putting it on. And then I'm taking this NYC lip pencil and lining my lips. I like it a lot because it's keeping the lips moisturized while still having a little color. You gotta check out my friend's front porch. It's amazing. Look at this yumminess. I love Easy. He's going on a date. Yay. Oh. No. Oh. You can't pick up the rose and then not give it to him.
He opened up so long.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Easy. I love you. Oh my gosh. I just got to my car and it's so freaking windy. What the heck? I got here and there's like no lights. Where's my lights? I got here and there was no wind. And now it's so windy. 2020. Dude, this wind is so crazy. It's absolutely insane. The leaves are just, the dust, everything is blowing around everywhere. It's so crazy. I just got home. This is absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, it's just like, it's so windy. Oh my gosh, tree down, tree down. This is horrible. This is horrible. Maybe I should have just left it. But Poor little tree. Oh, he's my baby girl. Come on, Snuggles. Oh, goodness gracious. You didn't get off the couch. Come on. Oh, good girl. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. This is what I get every time I come home. I love her so much. Almost forgot to do my little tree. It's a little bird. Happy December 3rd. Oh my gosh, look at this little baby. Oh, she's just a little cutie. She's all curled up. She's all curled up. She wasn't feeling very good. Early this morning at like 3 o'clock, she woke us up. So I hope she feels better now. My lashes, but I'm finishing up my hair. It's day 2 hair. I had straight hair yesterday. I kind of pineappled my hair last night, and so it gave it a little bit of a natural wave, and then I just added some of my own waves, and it's the Santa Ana winds right now. As you know, it was so windy last night, and so my hair is like, I feel like a little bit frizzy. So I have this Silk Sleek serum from Keratin. They gave me their products a while ago to try out, and I tested them, and I use this every once in a while, and I feel like it's gonna help me like tone down this frizz. Oh yeah. I always start at the ends and you only use a little bit because it's very potent. So these lashes that I'm using aren't anything special. They're just the multi-pack by Ardell, the Wispies. They're not my favorites, but I don't mind them, and so sometimes I just use them. These are on about, I'd say day 3 of using. But I got my little Ardell lash glue on them. I've tested out a lot of lashes and glues this year, and this one is still my favorite. We just got an espresso machine. We got a new one, I should say. The other one broke. I have like the most fun job, and I'm at a linen warehouse, checking out their linens, picking out linens. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't got to sit down and just like relax in so long. So I'm enjoying my little heated massage chair that I got myself. I love it so much. And I got little Sadie baby in my lap, and I'm enjoying the tree. So Matt and I just finished watching the first episode of this show, and it was so good. It was so heartwarming. It was about a little old lady who barbecued all her life and how she got to where she is now, and it was beautiful. You should watch it. Day 3. Let's see. Ooh, a little house. Good morning. Good morning. I just finished my workout, and Sadie always likes to come say hi when I'm stretching. That's just what she does. Aw, the hubs just made me a morning cappuccino. Look at it. It's so cute. So I got this as seen on TV eyebrow pencil, Bella Brow, from Walmart the other day. I was in the checkout line and I saw it, and I'm like, oh, I'll try it. So I don't know if you can see, but it has like little gashes in it. So I don't know. Oh my gosh, I kind of think that was like the best eyebrow pencil I've ever used in my life. Wow, wow, wow. Little shams while I get my hair done? Okay. I got fresh new hairs. It's dark outside, so it's hard to tell, but I feel so good. I know it's dark, but I have to show you the cutest thing. Sadie likes to put herself to bed, and it's so cute. Look at the little baby. I'm sorry to wake you up, baby. I'm sorry. Go back to bed. And before I hit the hay, let's do day 4 on the little tugboat. Well, good morning to me. A little hubby surprise of a latte in bed. Aww. Good morning. Hi. Hi. You had reservations at 6:30?
This is cool.
So cool. Winner, chicken dinner. Oh, we can't forget to do the tree. Let's see what day 5 is. Oh, we got a little, we got a little visitor. It's a little present.